My name is Anthony Scherer. I am the TV Digital Media Supervisor in the Mass Media Department. I teach one class, it's our sports broadcasting class, and the students will come in and help on the sports games that we have to produce for ESPN+. So in the fall, that is football, soccer, and volleyball, and then in the spring, it's baseball and softball. And then we also produce men's and women's basketball as well, but that's more of a part of the staff. After the students take the class, they can decide after that if they would want to join the paid staff, which is a paid position on campus. So they can decide if they want to do that or not, if it's what they are interested in doing. But also we talk about, how it relates to all aspects of TV, from producing to directing, cameras, graphics, replay. We also talk about like reporting and research and stuff of that nature. So it covers a wide variety of things. I also try to gear it towards not just people who like sports, but gear it towards like pop culture and things like that, so everybody gets kind of engaged in the class. I think the most rewarding aspect is probably two parts. One is seeing students who may come in and like sports, and they get to have a chance to come in and actually explore things they actually like to do. So if they come in and they get to see like what the production is like, they get to see like what behind the scenes of what we would say almost a professional production is. So I think for me that's rewarding. But the other side of it is for students who come in who may have to take the class but they don't like sports, is they come in and they get the skill set of seeing what it's like to produce a multi-camera live sporting event, and they may actually start liking it. And those are the students that I like to have in class, because they come in with like, I don't like sports, I don't have no interest in it, but they come in and they're like, well, this isn't as bad, and it's really interesting and really fascinating to kind of see that growth through them throughout the whole semester. And some of them actually come and say, I came into this class not thinking I would enjoy it, and I actually do. So that, for me, is probably the most rewarding thing, is to see students who may not like the class at first actually come in the end and say they actually like it. Well, since my job involves sports and watching sports and streaming sports, I do watch a lot of sports outside of work. I also like to do things outside. I like to go running, or I like to work out, and I also like to golf if the weather's cooperating and not too hot or too cold. So just something to do something outside while the weather's nice here in Missouri. And then I also, obviously, like everybody else, I like to binge watch TV shows or watch movies or something like that. So again, depending on what I feel like doing, but I have a lot of hobbies outside of work and stuff like that. The students that I always think that come into class and do a great job are students that come in with an open mind. And they just come in and say, this is an opportunity for me to learn and stuff like that. And I think if all the students who come in and take this class come in and just say, I'm going to come in with an open mind, this is an opportunity for me to learn some things I may not know, I think they'll enjoy the class no matter what, even if they don't like sports. So I think all the students, if they come in and just say, let's see what this class is about, I think it's great.